Join in the old school way. D block.
Hard base submarine soldiers! You got to be fucking kidding me! Get your lazy ass out of that chair and turn this motherfucking bitch up!
Cause a villain is about to speak. Some heavy, evil, dangerous boys are about to hijack your system. Some high-trade performers are about to pop to these speakers and give you some hard candy. So just forget about school. Just forget about work. Just forget about all the shit on this planet and open up your fucking eyes for this musical door. Cause right about now we are about to show you motherfuckers what we came here for. Cause this is your moment. This is your way of life. And don't let anybody take it away from you. No matter what you do, no matter what color, no matter where you're from, we are about to give you the future. So hard-based submarine soldiers, get out of your motherfucking seats now and stand the fuck up. This is the way we're gonna do this. I give to you, the young, talented, and gifted.
TNK, motherfuckers. Oh, and NBS.